Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning. Today the weather looks cool. It's not too hot, not cold at all, but we hope it just doesn't get as hot as it was on Saturday. Saturday was a mess. I'm headed to work. Today I'm working in town for just 2 hours. Then I'll be in the warehouse at Ngara the rest of the day. I'm in my uniform. Let me show you. Can you see? That's the gadget world uniform. Most of the days we wear a uniform, especially if we have field work, if we're going to do corporate setup, if we're going for deliveries, we do wear a uniform a lot. Had a date with my friend today. We were supposed to just meet up and catch up. She's completely camera shy. That's why she's laughing and blushing. Did you know if you buy something from our shop and you want to gift someone, we actually go the extra mile. We'll wrap the gift for you and we can actually get you a special package. So this is the Ngara is usually our store area. We share the store area with me and my sister. That's Gadget World and King's Paper. So now today we are receiving Samsung signages. Did you know that we sell Samsung signages? Signages and this other thing, it's called interactive screens. Yeah, we have interactive screens from Hikvision and Samsung, and then we have commercial signages from Samsung, and sometimes we get them from also Hikvision. Commercial signage is the one like when you go to places like Pizza Inn. You see those screens that advertise the menu or KFC? Those are commercial signages. We have them from 24-inch. I've just gotten home from work and I had promised the kids that I'll make for them Choma Sufuria and a ham. So I have ham and ile nyama ya mafuta for Choma Sufuria. So that's what I want to make. But they've already eaten because I've gotten home late, but wanangoja nyama. Ham looks like this. It has a lot of mafuta. But now you mix it with kawaida meat. Kwa sufuria, I'll show you the sufuria leaf. So when I'm making Choma Sufuria, I prefer using this type of sufurias. I don't know if it's my own belief or it's the truth, but I feel like this one gives the best Choma Sufuria. Amy, can you go bring us the meat? Thank you, my love. I wanted to cook in the other kitchen, but my nanny is washing dishes and there's a lot of noise. Yes? Both. You have to mix it. Just we empty it like this. You put for me the salt.
Yes.
And You go through this for me.
Okay.
And come with salt.
Okay.
I put here.
I put a bit.
What they are these? Look at what they're doing. How I cook my choma sufuria, I let it slow cook in a sufuria like this. I put in some rosemary, salt, and maybe beef cube. That's the only spice I use. And sometimes I can add onions when it's ready, but you don't have to add onions. You can still eat like that. You don't have to put mafuta, especially if you've bought ham or meat with a lot of fat. Let's go pick rosemary. Come, Amy.
Mommy, do you love me?
I love you, Amy.
Because mommy, tomorrow you're going to Mwangi's house.
On Saturday
Saturday, you're going to Mwangi's house to do what?
for a birthday.
For Mwangi?
No,
It's for kids.
it's for Mama Monkey, but there will be kids. But Aluso will be here.
Aluso?
Mm.
Here?
Yeah, I do put the.
You go to him to Mama Mwangi's house?
Yeah.
Mommy, Daddy going to go there?
Yeah.
I put the onions.
No, don't put the onions
Mommy.
first. Yeah. Even Auntie Wamba will come.
To whose birthday? To Mama Mwangi's birthday. She's turning how many years?
We'll ask her that.
Daddy, you almost turned me 40. Daddy, what's my trip? Abby's trip was 2 weeks ago. What's my trip? Yeah.
Now let it cook. We'll come check, okay?
I'll see.
Then all that is mafuta that I have to pour. This is where I'm actually going to put some onions. The onions are not supposed to evaporate for so long. Just a few minutes and it's good to go. But either way, you can still eat it like this without onions. I already drained all the mafuta out. So right now, it tastes more like nyama choma, but it's not nyama choma. That's why we call it choma sufuria. And this, my kids and I are going to eat it like a snack.
And I refuse to get off the pool.
Was the swimming coach there today?
Yeah. Then you went to the dependent coach is here.
Yeah. Don't go to the dependent coach is not there, okay?
Mommy, one time I went to the big pool when coach wasn't there.
Harvey,
Yeah.
are you going to listen?
And he said he doesn't care.
But you already reported.